OtterBox Kids Gear is a collection of fun, intuitive, easy-to-clean products that keep up with kids and keep them on the go. Today, we're going to install the EasyGrab Tablet Case and its innovative EasyGrab Multi-Use Case Stand. Let's get started. First, set out your iPad, case, and the stand. Let's begin by peeling away and removing the silicone slipcover from the case. Next, separate the case top from the case bottom by releasing each snap at the indicated arrows along every side. Now, grab your iPad and place it face up into the case bottom. Fit the case top onto the case bottom and snap the two pieces together along the edges. Finish up by wrapping the silicone slipcover onto the case, fitting around the handle, and pressing into place around the edges. That's the case. Now let's install the stand. Slide the stand onto the case handle. Now, your kids can carry around the tablet using the stand handle. Nice and simple. And it's easy to bend the stand handle to the desired angle for hands-free typing and viewing. We call the stand multi-use because it's a handle, a hands-free stand, and it attaches to the headrest in your car for convenient tablet use on the go. To attach to your car seat's headrest, bend the stand to 90 degrees. Then bend and hold the stand edges towards the center at 90 degrees. Next, insert the stand between the headrest posts. Then wrap and secure each end around the posts. Finally, adjust the stand to the preferred viewing angle. Since there are varying headrest sizes, the case stand may curve between the posts, which is perfectly okay. One quick safety note, attach the stand to the back of the seat so that it's rear-facing only. There you go. That's the EasyGrab Tablet Case and EasyGrab Multi-Use Case Stand. OtterBox Kids Gear gives your kids convenient carrying and independence while learning, playing, and connecting on the go.